Alright guys, we're on our way to another call. I believe it's a no AC call. At least that's the way it came in as, was a no AC call. Even though it's October 2nd? October 3rd. It's October 3rd and we still doing AC calls. Jesus. But apparently the customer states that there's no air blowing out of the vents. So we'll see what happens. You know, sometimes the customer thinks there's no air blowing out the vents when it's in AC mode just because they don't feel any cold air. So it could be something just with the condenser, condensate line, something like that. It might be a blower issue. We'll see what we find when we get there. Yeah, so inside is running, but it's not running out here. I hear the contactor, which is the switch that the thermostat turns on, but it might be something else besides refrigerant. Because we have no power out here, so.
Oh, it's just running. Right. Can you turn it down?
Because it could be somebody accidentally shut off a breaker, or it could be.
Never happened. That's what I said. Until you did that, it was running. Been running.
Yeah, it's running inside. That's a whole separate system.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so we got some helicopter customers here, but we had no power to the condenser and found the breaker tripped. Reset the breaker. So let's see what's going on here. Also found wasp nest, bees nest inside. Disconnect. Okay, so we got the disconnect plugged back in. After resetting that breaker, enter, turned on, and let's check amperage to see what's going on. What's the max unit amps? We're at like 6.2 amps max. Condenser fan motor, 0.66. And we're at 5.86. Something definitely tripped the breaker. Customer said that you don't get maintenance on it. I think the coil might be dirty. That's what I'm feeling. We're going to check the breaker. Probably R22. Let's see. R22 is right there. Check charge. See what's going on. Okay, so checking pressures. Negative 1.5 psi suction and only 69 on the liquid line. We are definitely up. That is what tripped the breaker. She's out of refrigerant. I hear a noise in here. I don't know if it's from. Yeah, I definitely hear a noise in here. That's definitely refrigerant leaking out. So we got the leak down here. Oh, no, it's right here where the wire was rubbing. It's leaking right there. Okay, so this is the condenser. Once again, found the leak right here where it's all oily. Right there. Hard to see on camera. So we're going to get that patched up, fix the electrical wire. And we received authorization for this repair, the old system, so hopefully it works, and hopefully we could get some more life out of it. If not, then we're gonna have to see about replacement. But let's get this all taken care of. Alright guys, so we got the hole brazed up and patched up right there. It's holding PSI pressure, nitrogen test. It's been holding for I think like 10-20 minutes already. So just gonna let that hold a little bit longer. And then we're gonna do vacuum pump. Remove all the, as best as we can, all the non-condensables from the system, even though it's had that hole in there for who knows how long. Customer said that they had to get recharged like 2 years ago, so it could have been from there, since the system is holding pressure. I didn't want to put too much pressure in it. So I put it at a decent pressure where if there is a big leak, such as that one, it will show. I didn't want to end up taking a chance of causing another leak. It's an old unit, so enough pressure to verify my leak was sealed properly. And we're going to pull vacuum, get it recharged. We're going to replace the contactor and the capacitor as well. We mounted the electrical a little differently so that it won't rub against the piping again. Not the ideal way of having it, but I'd rather have it like that than it end up causing another leak in the pipe. And repaired a little patch of insulation that was missing. But she's an old unit, and we're just keeping her surviving longer. So let's get her all finished up, pull a vacuum on her, and get her charged up, replace the electrical components, and call her good to go. Verify it's operating properly. Talk with the customer about getting maintenance because this coil was definitely impacted with debris. But they said they're going to get in contact with us at another time to do maintenance. So, alright guys, so we're pulling the vacuum in the system now. We're getting power from the contactor. Still going to replace it. Yep. So we're gonna let her do its thing, and we'll get back to it when it's in a proper vacuum. Alright guys, so we got about a 15-degree delta T inside. System's running, pretty decent pressures, and we're all done with this one. Customers are very satisfied that they have AC again. If you are in the Bucks County, PA area, give us a phone call, 908-476-8921. Precise Comfort Services.